Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download Spendee application on your Android device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then open up Google Play Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Spendee. Look for the Spendee budget and money tracker application in the search result and tap the install button to start downloading the app on your device in just a couple of minutes. After waiting for a couple of minutes, you will be able to download and install Spendee budget tracker on your Android phone. Simply go ahead and tap on the open button to launch Open Spendee application on your Android phone and start using it. That is how you can easily download Spendee application for your Android phone in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.